how much should you actually spend on Easter basket stuffers for teens? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, rainbow colored pencils. First up, we have these rainbow colored pencils. Priced at just $8.82, they caught my attention because of their vibrant colors and art potential. If you want to inspire creativity in your teen, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These pencils are perfect for unleashing artistic expression. With 12 different colors, they're ideal for drawing, coloring, and even creating custom designs for school projects. And get this, they've been bought over 9,000 times in the past month. That's a sign teens are loving them. Now, some people complain that the pencils break easily if too much pressure is applied. Here's the thing though, with a little care, they can last quite a while. It's really about how they're used, and for most teens, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if your teen loves to draw or is involved in art classes. Skip this one if they're not interested in creative activities. Honestly, for less than $9, you're getting a fun and engaging gift. Now, if the durability of the pencils worried you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, gaming socks. Next, we have the Do Not Disturb I'm Gaming socks from Fwawius, priced at $11.35. I was drawn to these because they combine comfort and personality, making them a fun addition to any Easter basket. If you want to keep your teen cozy while they game, this is worth a serious look. These socks are made of 95% high-quality cotton, which means they're breathable and comfortable to wear for hours. Plus, the non-slip grip helps keep them in place during intense gaming sessions. With over 3,000 units sold recently, it's clear that they're a hit among teens. Now, some customers mentioned that they found them a bit loose around the ankle. Here's the thing though, if your teen prefers a snug fit, they might want to consider sizing down. But for most, it won't be a deal breaker, especially since comfort is the priority. This is perfect for you if your teen spends a lot of time gaming and needs a fun conversation starter. Skip this one if they prefer more traditional socks. For the price, it's a cool gift that adds some personality to their wardrobe. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for creative teens. Product number 3, handmade crochet axolotl. Moving on, we have this handmade crochet axolotl, priced at $12.61. What caught my eye was its unique design and the fact that it's a trendy figurine that teens adore. If you want to add something quirky and cute to your teen's basket, this is worth a serious look. This adorable plush is not just a toy. It's a cute decorative piece that can liven up a room. The handmade quality means each one is unique, which makes it extra special. Plus, with over 2,000 sold recently, it's clear that this is a hot item among teens. However, some buyers mentioned that it could be smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, its charm is in its cuteness, and it still makes a delightful addition to any room or backpack, so size might not matter to those who love quirky decor. This is perfect for you if your teen appreciates handmade items or has a soft spot for unique plush toys. Skip this one if they prefer more practical gifts. For the price, it's an adorable find that stands out. Now, if the size of the plush was a concern for you, let's check out something a bit more practical. Product number 4, outline glitter markers. Next up are the outline glitter markers from Yang Mei, retailing at $10.08. I was intrigued by their potential for creativity and fun in art projects. If your teen loves to craft or doodle, this is worth a serious look. These markers offer 12 colors and a unique double line effect, which means your teen can create stunning art with ease. They work on various surfaces, so your teen can use them for everything from scrapbooking to painting rocks. With 2,000 sales recently, they're clearly a favorite among creative teens. Some reviews pointed out that the ink might smudge on certain papers. Here's the thing though, choosing the right paper can alleviate this issue, and for the vibrant effects they produce, many find it worth a little experimentation. This is perfect for you if your teen enjoys being artistic and loves to make their creations stand out. Skip this one if they're not into arts and crafts. For $10, the fun and creativity they spark are hard to beat. Lastly, let's wrap up with something that helps relieve stress.
Product number 5, fidget spinner toy. Finally, we have this fidget spinner toy, priced at $12.61. This caught my attention because it combines fun with stress relief, which is something many teens can benefit from. If your teen needs a cool gadget to fidget with, this is worth a serious look. These fidget spinners are not just a toy, they're designed to help with focus and anxiety. The metal construction gives it a premium feel and smooth spinning action. With 2,000 sold recently, it seems to be a hit among teens looking for a fun way to keep their hands busy. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to carry around. Here's the thing though, for those who don't mind the weight, it's a durable and satisfying gadget that can really help during stressful moments. This is perfect for you if your teen often feels anxious or needs to focus while studying. Skip this one if they prefer lighter, more portable options. At this price, it's a fun and practical gift that can provide some relief. So to recap, we've explored some awesome options for Easter baskets tailored for teens. From creative supplies to fun gadgets, each item has its unique charm and appeal. In summary, whether it's the colorful rainbow pencils, cozy gaming socks, unique handmade axolotl, creative outlined glitter markers, or the stress-relieving fidget spinner, there's something here for every teen. Choose wisely, and happy Easter gifting!